Yan, ito po yung category ng sari-sari toothpaste, body lotion, hand cream, moisturizing lotion, body soap, body shop, moisturizer, Aveeno. Paano to basahin? CeraVe, Vaseline, Healing Jelly, facial cleanser, shampoo, lightening shampoo, Sensodyne, Nivea, CeraVe, Cetaphil, Olay, facial wash, Cetaphil, Olay, Aveeno, Nivea, Glycomed, Daily Skin Therapy, hand cream, Glycomed, Cocoa Radiant, CeraVe, Vaseline, Nivea Soft, Sensodyne, CeraVe, toothpaste, Sensodyne, Head and Shoulder shampoo, Vaseline Extremely Dry Cream, CeraVe Cleanser, CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, Pantene Volume and Body Shampoo and Conditioner, Lightening Shampoo, Body Shop Body Butter, Aveeno, ito, Body Lotion. Yan, ito po yung category ng non-food. Yung kanina po food, ito po non-food. Yan, assorted po yan. Salamat po sa nagbigay. Meron isa rito, Mr. Clean, Mr. Net, Mnet, 2 times the original. And meron pa po dito isa. Ay, buksan mo nga ito. Ano ba ito? Ito, mga spoon and fork. Spoon and fork. Ano yan? Heels lotion. Lotion, yan. Salamat po sa nagbigay ng marami. Salamat po. Facial wash. Very fresh. Conditioner. Daming CeraVe. And then Cetaphil. Ang dami pong Cetaphil. Yan. Salamat po.